Whenever there is power cut from the grid and you need electricity at the moment, you have two options: either to run a generator or to use a solar inverter system. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be looking at the differences between a generator and a solar inverter system. Both generator and solar inverter system provides alternative power supply when the grid is not available. But in today's video, we'll be looking at the differences between these alternative sources of electricity. Number one difference is how they work. For generators, they run on fuels which can be petrol, diesel, propane, and so on. It uses internal combustion engine. Generators convert chemical energy from fuels into mechanical energy using internal combustion engine, and then to electrical energy using an alternator. On the other hand, for a solar inverter system, solar panels convert sunlight into DC electricity, which is either stored on a battery using a charge controller or used instantaneously in the house using an inverter to convert the DC electricity from the solar panel or from the battery into AC electricity. Number two difference is cost structure. For generators, they have low upfront cost, which means that generators are much cheaper, but it has high and continuous running cost. Generators cost a whole lot of money to run. You need to buy fuels to run your generator, and you also need some servicing like changing of oils, spark plugs, filters, and so on. And you also need to perform frequent repairs on your generators, which will cost you some money. On the other hand, for a solar inverter system, it has high upfront cost, which means that the cost of purchasing a solar inverter system is on the expensive side, but it has very low running cost. Solar inverter system doesn't use fuel. It requires very minimal maintenance. Once the solar system is properly installed and a good quality product is used for the installation, you don't need much maintenance after the installation, which means that you are not spending extra money in running the system. Number three difference is noise and environment. For generators, they make a very loud noise during its operation, which can be disturbing. It produces smokes and fumes, and also a carbon emission, which is not healthy for human beings and the environment. On the other hand, for the solar inverter system, it has a very silent operation. It has no emission, and it is a very clean energy, which is healthy for human beings and the environment. Number four difference is maintenance and reliability. For generators, it requires frequent servicing like changing of oil, filters, spark plugs, and so on. It also needs mechanical repairs. Generators are more prone to wear and tear because of many moving parts, and many moving parts implies more points of failure. Therefore, generators are less reliable. On the other hand, for a solar inverter system, it requires minimal maintenance, which is occasional cleaning of the solar panels, battery monitoring, and so on. Solar inverter system doesn't have any moving parts, which makes it to have lesser points of failure and less prone to wear and tear. Solar inverter system, if well installed and good quality solar product is used for the installation, is very reliable. Number five difference is dependency factor. For generators, it depends on fuel availability and fuel price fluctuations. Generators are vulnerable to economic changes, which means that as price of fuel rises, the cost of running a generator increases also. On the other hand, for a solar inverter system, it depends on sunlight and system quality, which implies energy independence. Number six difference is long-term value. For generators, it depreciates quickly, requires constant spending, and it has no long-term return. On the other hand, for a solar inverter system, they pay for themselves over time. If well installed and good quality solar product is used for the installation, it can last for a very long time. Here is the pro tip If you need cheap immediate power for short-term use, generator is your best option. But if long-term use and silent operation is your priority, solar inverter system is your best option. Drop on the comment section the one that you are currently using and share your experience on how the system is performing so far. If you want to learn more about solar energy, make sure to subscribe so you'll be notified when I release new upload. See you in the next video.